Why do people overlook you? Trust me, it is not your weakness. It is your invisibility. Invisibility is the ultimate respect killer, and it all starts with how you show up. Welcome to Human Mind Signals. Here is what nobody tells you. Respect is never given to the loudest person. It is not given to the smartest, the hardest working, or the biggest people pleaser either. Respect always goes to the person who has absolute certainty in their tones, someone you just cannot doubt. And this certainty is not something you are born with. It is something you can learn. The first trick alone will change your entire game. Stop over-explaining yourself. Just think about it the last time someone questioned your decision. How quickly did you start throwing long stories, excuses, and proofs at them? Do you know what that looked like to everyone watching? It looked like you were guilty of something, or like you did not even trust your own decision? Psychology says that people who are truly respected never give explanations. They simply state their point short, calm, and final. The moment you stop dragging out your words, people will stop questioning you. But there is something even more powerful than words. Silence. When someone challenges you and you pause just 2 full seconds before you respond, your brain is perceived as more in control, more intelligent, more dangerous to cross. Every single time, calm is not weakness. Calm is the highest signal of confidence the human nervous system knows. Ask yourself this. When was the last time you saw a truly respected person panic? Now here is the one most people completely miss. Slow down your body. Fast movement signals anxiety. Slow movement signals authority. This is not opinion, it is evolutionary biology. People who are in control of their environment move like they own it. Slower turns, slower gestures. Walk like you have somewhere to be, and you will arrive exactly when you decide to. Start moving at 70% of your natural speed and watch how the room shifts around you within days. And then there is this. Keep your word in small things. Respect is not built in grand moments. It is built in the invisible ones. When you say you will send that message, send it. When you say 7 o'clock, be there. Every small broken promise erodes something people cannot name but always feel. And every kept promise, even tiny ones, stacks silently until you become the person everyone trusts. Without knowing exactly why, here's the truth that changes everything. Respect is not a reaction to what you do. It is a resonance with who you are. When your words, your body, your silence, and your reliability all point in the same direction, people feel it before you even speak. You do not demand respect. You become someone it is impossible to overlook. This is Human Mind Signals.